But that intelligence is today dividing us. Any intelligence. It's not particular about God or religion. It's dividing you and me. Till we do not connect to that silence and we know that we are all connected to one silence and we are all part of that silence and there is no other soul beside one soul, and that soul is self-existence, and in my language I call it love. Because only expression I can produce after realizing that silence is love. There can't be anything else. And once you realize that I am everything, I am that, I am responsible. For everything which is happening, I am responsible. And responsible people don't talk, they prove. Got this point? Because I'm just responsible. So whatever I do, I am responsible. I'll finish it from start to end. I'm not stressed. I'm supposed to study. I'll pick up a book. I am responsible. I have to study. Keep the mobile aside. I study. I finish it. I'm responsible. After I finish it, now I am responsible to enjoy. Because I enjoyed my studies also. My studies also I enjoyed. Now I'm supposed to enjoy and watch TV. I'm enjoying my TV. But if I have something which is still pending, that I have something to do in the kitchen, and then I feel okay, now I have to cook, I'm not responsible. Then I'm coming out and with that face like this and I'm cooking. You may cook very well, but then we are not happy. If you are not happy, you are not responsible. Responsibility gives you happiness. In your workplace, wherever you are, you are standing here, you are responsible. If bus is not coming, you are responsible. So enjoy that moment when it is not coming. It's not coming, now what should I do? This guy is waiting, I'm stuck in the traffic. Enjoy. Just celebrate. Life is supposed to be celebrated. Every moment, just be with life and see that how beautiful it is. There's no sin at all. If you are aware, you will not do anything wrong, you will not harm anybody. Only thing you can do is you can create a beautiful environment of love. But only when you realize that what I am, the opposite person is same. I won't hate him because he is intelligent, I won't hate him because inside he is pure. Because he's been listening and reading and a lot of things, so he's become intelligent. That doesn't matter. It's beautiful. That will help me to grow more. But then I will not hold on to that intelligence. Yes, this is ultimate. This is the final. Because there is still, graduation is still there. You keep on graduating. The graduation is growing, and that growing into that intelligence where everyone has grown into, whom we call God. Now whom did Mahavir, Buddha, Krishna prayed to? How do you know? They just meditate.
Yeah,
Just meditate.
meditation itself.
How do we know? That is the question. So many people have no answers yet.
We have to know these things because just don't follow anybody on this earth. Use your intelligence and understand why. For what? These two questions has to come. Then you will start thinking why and for what. If that is not coming, then you are just following blindly. A blind man knows about the light. He doesn't know there is a light, but because he understands there is something like that. One who has seen the light, he understands the light exactly what the light is. We are talking what we haven't seen. Realization is seeing things and then following, not talking. Because that everything is written in the book. You have Vedas, you have Quran, you have Gita, everything is written there. You are just following. Be a leader. Be free. Understand. Ask questions. Our education system is something which has gone haywire by, they don't allow questions. If you ask questions, out of the class. Guy doesn't know the answer maybe.
Exactly. This is why out of the class, because he doesn't know the answer.
So if you ask, even at home, Today's mothers are smarter, but initial mothers, if you ask questions, they didn't knew only. Like my mother, if I ask her any question, she didn't knew only, because she wasn't a very literate lady. You're not supposed to ask questions. Whom will I ask? Teacher will kick me out, and I was bad at my studies, so obviously I have to be out. I was naughty boy. So whom you will ask? Father? He doesn't know. I don't know. Whom should you? Your friends? They don't know. Where you will go when you have a question? You go to somebody whom you think he is a intelligent person. Huh? So-called learned man. What he will do? Girai, you got a client. You got a client. And that is how we get trapped into things. You are not supposed to ask questions. Learn to ask questions and meditate. You'll get the answers, because the answers are there in the universe. Universe is very intelligent, and we are inside it. So we are not out of information. Only thing, we do not know how to get in touch with that information. Get connected to self, nothing else. So who is God?
Self. Self.
Who is self? I remember in my school, I had one teacher. He used to break chalk and throw.
Yes.
Awareness.
Next time you keep chalk.
What is awareness? Atmic awareness. Lovely. What is awareness?
Knowing what is right and what is wrong.
There is no knowing. There is no knowing. There is no knowing. If there is a knowing, there is a body. There is an image. There is a shape. There is something to it. So there is no knowing. So nobody is intelligent. If you become body, you are somebody, and somebody has an ego. That I am a body, I am a man, I am a girl, I am a boy, I am intelligent, I know this, I know this. Nothing. You know all the things. Wonderful. So realize that the emptiness is nobody. So who is God?
Emptiness.
Emptiness. Where does this emptiness lie? In nobody. Who is nobody? We all are nobodies. We have to realize that nobodiness. With nobodiness, I don't have a ego. But I am intelligent, super intelligent. I am super intelligent. Not the red intelligence. I am just connected to the intelligence. I am nobody, you are nobody, you are nobody. Then the question of Hindu, Muslim, Christian doesn't come at all. Because I am what you are. Aham Brahmasmi, Tvam Brahmasmi. So that question doesn't come. What you are, I am the same.
The moment when we get connected to the nothingness, at that moment there is a peace. But the whole time that nothingness doesn't stay with. Yeah, I don't stay with the whole of the time. So then there is no oneness between two people. Then I say you are you and I am I.
Yeah, very true. Why
Though
this?
I know from the nothingness that there is nothing like that.
Yeah.
But still when I come into the form, I go into the same thing.
What is happening, But today, the teaching of meditation has become a process. The process of sitting at one place, closing your eyes, and then concentrating on something. That is the meditation. So when you do meditation, you become nobody. This meditation has to be not sitting at one place. That is one few moments you just want to be there and realize completeness. And after that you have to carry that completeness wherever you are. And meditation, if it is not awareness, related to awareness, which is not 24 by 7, it is useless meditation. It has to grow. You have to grow into that awareness all the time. So when you have time, when you are doing nothing, just look at yourself, what you are doing. What's your finger doing? What's your hand doing? What is your mind doing? What are your eyes doing? Just for 1 minute, you just be aware of everything. Wonderful. Then you will be aware for some time. Just be aware of your senses. And I don't believe in this, do not control your senses, which is being told by so-called God, that khane mein ye, पहनने में ये, you know, और this is how you should be celebrating your life, you should enjoy your life fully. But I shouldn't be doing something which is because if I am intelligent, if I am doing with that understanding, and I know that opposite person doesn't think my way, so I won't be doing something which provokes him. Because this age, what kind of age we are into, we have to be little aware of that too. So that should come, that awareness. If you are waiting for don't try to entertain yourself. If you are doing nothing, don't switch on the TV. Because there is nothing to do, you switch on the TV. You pick up a book, maybe God's book, but you are entertaining yourself. You look at something, you watch a movie, you are entertaining yourself. Don't get into that entertainment till you become aware. Because if you have something which is pending, finish it. Be responsible. In one word, awareness is being responsible for yourself in every moment. Each and every moment, just be responsible. After you finish responsibility, enjoy everything. But that being responsible is itself is celebration. So celebrate your life, enjoy your life, and just be happy. If there is a problem, there is a problem. Solve it. रो मत उसके ऊपर. मारामारी करना है, मारामारी करो वो टाइम पे. Without disturbing yourself, just be responsible. I have to protect myself, not to kill somebody. Just be responsible. This is what is missing in every corporate, every office, that awareness is not there. Everybody is suffering. It's not that we or you or me, everybody is suffering. And we are suffering because of our intelligence, nothing else. Questions? Sir, Prashna. So in one word, we can say that I am another you. That feeling has to come into us. God doesn't sit in the temple. He's sitting everywhere, in every cell, within us, everywhere. And God doesn't want us to be dukhi, unhappy. He wants us to be happy. So celebrate your life. It is beautiful. Without any expectation from anybody, just freedom, total freedom, and total freedom comes with responsibility.
पाप पुण्य दो शब्दों को अपनी जगह पे लाना है. छोटे
है
से दो शब्द है, बहुत बड़ा बना दिया है. हमारे गुरुओं ने, हमारे घर वालों ने, हमारे वडीलों ने, हमारे दोस्तों ने पाप पुण्य दो शब्दों को इतना बड़ा बना के रख दिया, बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे. दो शब्दों से बाहर निकल.
But then once I see,
पूरी जिंदगी, पूरे विचार इसी के आसपास चलते हैं.
what happens,
ये दो शब्दों के आसपास हमारे.
what happens when I see that this person is thinking in that way? I have understanding. So I know this person is thinking in this way. So I can see him thinking in that way. I can witness him. And I know where exactly his thinking is coming from. Now I won't criticize him. I know that he's been trained like this. It's okay. There's nothing. I don't have to fight. कि तू ऐसा क्यों सोचता है? तू गलत है, ऐसा नहीं. Witness बन जा, साक्षी भाव बन जा. अरे he doesn't understand what is साक्षी भाव. और तुम उसको 90 साल में कहाँ साक्षी भाव सिखाओगे? Awareness is just seeing everything as is. Awareness is what you are. Complete nothing, nobody. Now when you tell somebody, understand me, you understand what you are telling him to understand. That I am nobody. Egoless, just self, full with love. You understand that. Don't tell anybody तुम मेरे को समझता नहीं हो. कहाँ से समझे? खाली हो तुम. कहाँ से समझने का? कोई समझने की जरूरत नहीं है. तुम खाली हो.